Hi friends, welcome back. Uh, in continuation of HCF, we have find HCF of 18, 24 and 30. This is like finding an HCF for three numbers using a long division method. So let's understand basically as to how do we find it. So whenever you have three numbers given, what you do is you have to take the first two numbers. As I said, always the greater number would be the dividend and the smaller number would be the divisor. So dividing this, it would be 1 times of 18, which might give you, so you have a remainder of say 6, and this becomes a new divisor and the previous divisor will be the new dividend. So it is 3 times would be 18. So I get a remainder of 0. So the HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. So that is the last divisor. So 6 would be the HCF of 18 and 24. Now you will consider the third number, that is 30. This new divisor which is there, that is the HCF of 18 and 30 would be the divisor. So 30 would be the new dividend and 6 would be the divisor. So how many times of this would be 5 times? So I get the remainder is 0. So HCF of 18, 24 and 30 is 6. So this is the last divisor. So the HCF of all the three numbers would be this. So let's take another example and do the problem. So I have one more example to find HCF of 30, 45 and 70 by long division method. So you will consider the first two numbers first. So that is 45 would be the dividend and you take 30 as the divisor and you will find the HCF of first two numbers. So it is 1 time. So I get a remainder of 15. So I will take the previous divisor, that is 30 inside. So it is 2 times. Sorry, it is 2 times 30. So I get the remainder as 0. So the HCF of 30 and 45 is 15. So this becomes the new divisor for the third number. Third number is 70. So we'll take 70. As 70 doesn't get divisible by 15, I would be taking 4 times of 15. That would come up to 60. So I get a remainder of 10 now. So I give the previous divisor inside. So I again get 1 time. So 1 time of 10 would be 10. And I have the reminders 5. So I take the previous divisor inside, which is 10. So I get 2 times of 5 would be 10. So I get the remainder as 0. So the last divisor, that is 5. So the HCF of all the three numbers would be 5. So this is how you find an HCF for three numbers given. Hope you like the video. Just give us a like and do share with your friends. And if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much. Happy learning.